Hello guys, and welcome back to Your Values. Hope you are well. I'm happy to be here again for a new video about the cause of main disorders. Now, as we all know that I have been through many disorders in my life, and everybody goes through different disorders, from anger to OCDs, obsessive compulsive disorder, PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, sleep paralysis, social anxiety, social phobia, drugs, drinking, addictions generally, or smoking. It could also be depression, going up to suicide, and also eating disorders with anorexia, bulimia, also dysmorphia, when you don't see yourself the way you are. Also imposter syndrome, social anxiety, people pleaser, or hypersensitivity. This is more. And so all of these, I believe, this is why I created Your Values, which is a solution, a universal solution that permits to everyone to stop having these disorders, because there's only one cause, which is inner imbalance, the imbalance of your life energy. Now, when you find this balance, you do not need to compensate. When you do have an imbalance within you, you can get upset, you can start having mental disorders or other disorders, as I mentioned. And so this is what leads to it. Now, if you manage to find your life balance, then disorders will not be here anymore. This is why I created Your Values. So if you have any questions about some disorders, I would be very happy to help you help you find solutions. And you could also ask me questions in the comments and get in touch. Hope you have a good day and see you soon on Your Values.